What's up? Flavor Dave getting the new chain on the 4-wheeler. My lovely wife. Yeah. 8. I got 8. You motherfucker. Hang on.
There you go.
I just changed way too long. Hold on.
Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna need to take some of it. Oh wait, maybe not. Yeah, you're gonna need to take some of this off. Get this all the way forwards first too. So I would cut this one right here. It should be that wouldn't be too short. Yeah, this one right here. Now I need to pull this back out. Maybe.
Too much vibrations. Oh yeah, and then right here you're leaving. And over here we got Bubba throwing the spark, doing all the work as always. Yep. Bitch.
Perfect. You can put a match link on backwards.
What?
You can put one of these on backwards.
No.
That way? Backwards. You put it this way.
Does it do anything?
If you use the other way, if a branch is underneath it, you can knock it off. Okay. That pretty straight. Pretty straight. Yeah. Not very deeper. Straight as in.
Shit, and ain't say nothing. 100 motherfuckers cannot tell me nothing. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. This ain't shit and ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers cannot tell me nothing. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Man, I been did that. Man, I been popped off. And if she ain't trying to give it up, she get dropped off. Let me bust that, you bitch, bust that open. Might spend a couple hours to bust that open. Rip it off, no joking.